Main story, A Sense of a Goose, Lessons from the Sky. The majestic V formation. Every autumn, flocks of geese take flight, traveling vast distances to warmer lands. Have you ever noticed the V shape they form in the sky? This incredible formation isn't just for show, it's a brilliant strategy. When a goose flaps its wings, it creates an uplifting air current for the bird directly behind it. This simple act of physics allows the entire flock to cover 71% more distance than if each bird flew alone. Their teamwork sets an example. When people support one another, they can achieve remarkable success together. Staying in formation. Occasionally, a goose may stray from the formation, perhaps distracted or tired. The moment it does, it feels the air resistance and the difficulty of flying alone. It quickly returns to the group, recognizing the benefits of shared effort. This behavior reminds us that sticking with a supportive group, whether it's family, friends, or colleagues, helps us navigate challenges more efficiently. Sharing leadership, leading the flock is no easy task. The goose at the front of the V faces the strongest resistance, using the most energy to forge the way. When the leader grows tired, it gracefully rotates back into the formation, and another goose takes its place at the helm. This seamless exchange of leadership demonstrates the power of shared responsibilities. Just like the geese, humans thrive when leadership is rotated, ensuring that no one person bears the entire burden. Encouragement from behind. As the geese fly, those at the back honk loudly. These honks aren't random. They serve to encourage the geese in front to keep up their pace. This vocal support keeps the group motivated, ensuring they stay unified and on course. In life, offering words of encouragement can uplift others and inspire them to keep going, even in tough times. A simple act of support can make a world of difference. Caring for the fallen. Perhaps the most touching behavior of geese is their care for one another. If a goose becomes injured or sick and cannot continue flying, 2 other geese leave the formation to stay with it. They protect and comfort the fallen goose until it recovers or passes away. Only then do they rejoin another flock or return to their original group. This act of loyalty teaches us the essence of true friendship and compassion. Standing by someone in their time of need is one of the greatest acts of kindness we can offer. What motivational lessons can we learn from this story? 1. Teamwork amplifies success. The geese demonstrate that collaboration towards a common goal leads to extraordinary achievements. By pooling our strengths, we can accomplish far more than we ever could alone. 2. The importance of staying connected. Just as geese rejoin the flock after straying, humans thrive when they are part of a supportive community. Connection fosters resilience and success. 3. Shared leadership is essential. Leadership is not about doing everything alone. Rotating leadership roles ensures fairness, prevents burnout, and allows everyone to contribute their strengths. 4. Encourage and motivate others. A simple word of encouragement, like the geese's honks, can inspire others to keep pushing forward. Positivity has a ripple effect, strengthening the whole group. 5. Stand by one another in tough times. True compassion lies in supporting those who are struggling. The geese's loyalty to their fallen companions reminds us of the power of empathy and selflessness. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and share your thoughts in the comments.